Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east in Pear Tree towards Guava Ridge, St. Andrew Parish. We are driving on the Cooperage to Guava Ridge Road, also Mavis Bank Road. Entering Violet Bank. On the right is Remnant Assembly of Yahvah Seventh-day Church, Violet Bank. A few meters to the left, you can find Hog Hole River. Entering Galloway. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.